Welcome to another episode of the GSatTrack how-to series. In this video, we're going to begin by showing you how to add contacts to the portal. To begin, come over here to the Add Item button. Next, select Add Contact. From there, you want to put in the name of the person who will be notified when an alert is triggered, which is the real purpose of a contact. It's a way for a person to receive notification that something is occurring with the device without actually having to be logged into the portal. They'll receive the notification in various ways, which I'll get into in just a moment. So, beginning, we're going to put in a person's name, and then we choose the type. If it's email, straightforward, we put in our email address. But if we're going to use a free SMS or free texting, we're going to need to put in the phone number of the person and check the provider to make sure that free SMS is actually offered. If it's not, you can simply choose Pay SMS, agree to pay the outgoing charges, and then put in the phone number for the person. Next, we want to choose whether or not this person is going to be an emergency contact, which means that if an SOS is triggered within the portal, they will be notified. From there, we're able to choose whether or not there's a rate limit, how often the person receives this emergency notification. And then for our standard alert notifications, we're also able to set a rate limit around that. Next, we want to choose the language preference and also some preferences around how we view things in either metric or standard. Finally, the time zone, which is incredibly important because as we receive these notifications, we're not having to adjust for time. Now, once this is done, we can go ahead and create contact. How this is applied is done through alerts. So when I'm going ahead and setting up an alert, which is something I've done in prior videos, and I want to go ahead and I want to add a contact to a particular alert, I can do that. Scroll down here. I've already chosen my assets, but who is going to be notified comes into the notifications. From here, I can choose the contact that I've set up. I can choose whether they're notified on the alert triggered, whether it's been acknowledged, or the alternative acknowledgement. Then we can also go ahead and send notifications until the alert is acknowledged, or hide alert on map. Kind of going through some of these pieces on the how to add an alert piece, but I want to show how adding a contact interacts with the system. It's setting up the alert as one piece, making sure that you have a contact to associate with it. That's also every bit as important. It's also a great way, again, to understand information that comes across in the portal in a way that's easy to understand. Thank you very much, and I look forward to our next video.